storms producing flooding. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks
I think this is a
and
PDS.
urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Ephrata, New Holland, Akron, Leola, Terre Hill, Churchtown, Bearville, Intercourse, Blue Ball, Farmersville, Boonville, and White Horse. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following county: Lancaster, Pennsylvania,